We have to start with now Mughal. I said if we see Mughals in the form of rising Mughals, and the rising Mughals are from 1526 to 1707, and then another side we see Mughals, it is declining. So if we see rising Mughals, you know that Babur and then I said Humayun, and in between Sher Shah, Suri, Ismail Shah, Muhammad Adil Shah, Miss Suri dynasty came, that is an Afghan. I said that Babur, Humayun. Thereafter we have seen Akbar, and then you must be knowing that Akbar's son is Salim. Yadav. Akbar's son is Salim Sekhu. So Sekhu. And then Jahangir, the Salim Jahangir, and he has given the one person in the world who has exploited this India, but given some best architecture of the world. I said that, and then he is the famous for, love and all, for his wife and all. And then it is, I said that, so ye Jahan kis kya hai? Shah, who has given us Taj Mahal, and who has made Taj Mahal? I said that Isa Masih. Who has made? Isa Masih has made Isa Effendi. I said that Shah Jahan, and then he is one of the conqueror of the world, Jahangir, who has taken the title of Jahangir, Aurangzeb. I see, who has taken the title of Jahangir, Alamgir. And by killing his three brothers, Darasiko, Shah Shuja, and Murad. Now we will be able to see, and क्या हमने बोला? Babur, Humayun, Akbar. What I said that? Babur, Humayun, Akbar. Babur, Humayun, Babur's son is Humayun, must be knowing. And thereafter I said that there is, I say, Akbar, and then we have seen Jahangir. And then Jahangir, and then Jahangir get married with the famous, so many other wives are there, famous is Noor Jahan. And Raja Bharmal also, somewhere connected with this also. I said that thereafter Jahangir's son, Khurram, he become, I said, Shah Jahan. Understood? And then Shah Jahan's son is, what is the name? M for Murad, Mu for Murad, Gu for Gujarat. Gu. Murad was in the Gujarat. And then Shah Shuja, if I talk about Shah Shuja, and then Bengalis को हमने कल आपको दिखाया था, इल थे, माल खिलाया, फिर वो क्या हो गए थे? सूझ गए थे. क्या हो गए थे? and then Bengal में कौन थे? शाह सुजा. And Dara Shikoh was in Delhi. Dara Shikoh कहाँ पे थे? Delhi में. Understood? So these are the four brothers are there. There are the four brothers, and then he did. And then Aurangzeb was in the Deccan. Aurangzeb was in the Deccan. Okay? So I said that. क्या मैंने बोला? Yes, Babur Humayun. And then what he did, you know that the daughter-in-law को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? बहू. क्या बोलते हैं? What do we used to say? What do we say that? और बहू कैसी होनी चाहिए? She should be secular. Yes or no? She should be secular. सभी को मिला जुला के चले. और यहाँ पे who is the secular person? अकबर. तो who is बहू? अकबर. बहू बनकर अकबर. और जो सेकुलर होगा he will win the whole world. Yes or not? He will win the whole world. बहू बनकर अकबर ने क्या किया? जहां सारा जीत लिया. बहू बनकर अकबर. बहू मीन्स बाबर. I said Babur, Humayun, and then Akbar. This is Jahangir, and this is, I said that, Shah Jahan. Bahu bankar Akbar. Babur, Humayun. What I said that? Babur, Humayun. That is clear. Babur, Humayun, Akbar. Jahan Sara. Can be clear? Babur, Humayun, Akbar, and then I said that Jahangir, and then I said that Shah Jahan, and the last, you know that what is the name of the last? Aurangzeb. And you have to speak some number with me. I said that 26. I said that 30, 55. I said that 26, 30, 55. What are the number I said that? 26, 30, 55. 26, 30, 55. What are the number I said that? 26, 30, 55. Is it okay? Thereafter I said that 5, 27, 58. 5, 27, 58. What are the number I said that? 5, 27, 58. First I said 26, 30, 55. 26, 30, 55. 5, 27, 58. Yes, what are the number I said that? 20. I said that 26, 30, 55. Just 26 and then 30. And then I said that 55. Thereafter I talked about 5, 27, 5, 27, 58. And the last is 7. Last is ye up. Fatapat. This number you just note it down for 4 times. What are the number I said that? Up 5. यहाँ से आपको numbers का बहुत importance है. In the modern India, the number is playing in a very much importance. I said that क्योंकि आपको that this is an establishment of what I said, that understanding of it helps you to understand then modern India. इसके बाद there is a declining Mughal starts, and then when the declining Mughals starts, you should be aware of that the Britishers and all which has already came, and during that period already Portuguese, Dutch started coming in. I said that, what are the number I said that? 5, 26, 5, sorry, 26, 30, 55. 26, 30, 5, 27, 58. 5, 27, 58. And 7. Write down 4 times. Four times this number you have to write. And when you are writing a number, it should be proper way, not like rough. Because whatever you write, an image in your mind. जो भी आप लिखते हो, a image goes in your mind. So write proper. So what are the number I said that? 5, 26, 30, 55. 26, 30, 55, 5, 27, 58, 7. I said that Babur was from 1526 to 1530 and Humayun was, I said that 1530 to 55, but in between this region has been taken over by the Afghans. And then I said that what is Akbar, and Akbar was from 1556 to, I said that 1605, and then Jahangir 1605 to 27, and then Shahjahan was 1627 to 58, and then यहाँ पर ही battle of what happened? Battle of Dharmat and battle of Samugad. What happened? Battle of Dharmat and Samugad. In one battle he defeated the imperial army, and in another battle he killed his brother. I said that Aurangzeb, और यहाँ से Aurangzeb started, and that is I said that 1658 to 1707. Understood? Clear? याद हो चुका है? Yes. I said that 1526 to 1530 Babur, and then in a very small period of time he couldn't be able to make a strong empire, and then he is able to give an empire with the bead in the form of bead full of thorn, full of, I said that, needles and all. So many needles are there when the Humayun came, and he is not able to sustain, and their brothers is not able to sustain this empire. Therefore he was easily defeated by anyone. Understood? Only one battle that he is able to win, it is battle of Dora. Understood? Otherwise he was defeated by Sher Shah Suri in the several battles. And then two important, I said that Chausa and battle of Bilgram. Understood? So I said that, and after that he ran away here and there, and again he came back under the Bairam Khan, and that is in the 1556. So 1540, in the last battle was Bilgram, and after the 1540 to 1555, who is there? Sher Shah Suri. And then Sher Shah Suri, Ismail Shah, Adil Shah, these are the important ruler of, I said that, which are the important ruler? I said that, Sher Shah Suri, Ismail Shah, Adil Shah. Which are the ruler? Sher Shah Suri, Ismail Shah and Adil Shah. And thereafter I said that there is a coming of again, Akbar came back along with the, I said that, kiske saath hai? Bairam Khan. And then the fought from the Akbar side, who fought? Bairam Khan. And from the Adil Shah Suri dynasty, who fought? Hemu. And Hemu was I said that he was a Hindu king. He was a what? Hindu king. And then he was the last Hindu king of, I said that, in the Mughal time, and I said that he fought, but already Adil Shah, after the Sher Shah Suri, there is an Ismail Shah, and then Adil Shah, and then Adil Shah was full of, like, I said that Rangila portion. He was living a luxurious life. Then there is several fought has been taken place, and Suri dynasty degraded. And therefore I said that Akbar is able to, win over it, and 1556, second battle of Panipat took place. And in this second battle of Panipat, what happened? Akbar came. And Akbar, you know that he has given one, what is the meaning of Jilla Ilahi? Shadow of the God. Jilla Ilahi means shadow of the God, yaad hai na? Niyabati Khudai, it is a deputy of the God. And then one thing that he has given, Dine Ilahi. What he has given, Jilla Ilahi and Dine Ilahi. That like Christian, Muslim, different kind of, I said that religion, he has also made secular religion, Dine Ilahi. Akbar has made what? Secular religion. He has taken something from the Brahminical aspect, something from here and there. And then in this one, he has given them Lord Surya to be very much important. Understood? So he has given another sect, and very good sect, but this Dine Ilahi, this kind of religious sect has been finished with the finish of Akbar itself. So I said that again हम लोग आगे देखते हैं, that is from the 1605 there is an so he was from 1556 to 1605 and this Akbar is able to take an empire till Godavari.